what we can expect as we go through the next few days, Steve. And I do expect to see our temperatures more seasonal, rounding out this week, going into the weekend. Temperatures cooling down just a bit. We are going to be seeing another front coming in for Friday night into Saturday, so 54 on Saturday. But you notice we do start to warm back up going into next week. Temperatures back into the mid-60s. And then for Christmas, we're going to be seeing a mild one. Temperatures above average, and we remain above average going through the end of the holiday weekend into the extended weekend. So today, though, we do have a first alert weather day in place, and the reason is we had some rain and storms this morning. That was the first reason. I've extended the first alert weather day through the remainder of the afternoon hours because of winds gusting up to near 30 miles per hour. Afternoon temperatures 20 to 25 degrees colder than what we saw Tuesday. So with that in mind, a little bit more. Yesterday, the high temperature was 75. My forecast high, in a sense, for the afternoon is 56 degrees. So I don't want that to surprise you. If you're just now getting ready to head outside, you will need your winter coat. You can see Clyde Warren Park. A lot of sunshine's there, but look at how we started out the morning. Overnight into the early morning hours, we did see this cold front move in, and with it, we saw these storms develop, scattered storms around and scattered showers around, at times some pockets of some heavy rain, causing just a mess on the area roadways during the morning commute. Look how the temperatures were in the mid-60s at 3 in the morning. Cold front moved through, then dropped our temperatures. We dipped down to the low 50s, now slowly climbing back up into the mid 50s. We're sitting at 54 degrees right now at DFW with a north wind at 20, gusting to 25. Dew points at 35. So this colder air has settled its way on in. We might hold in the mid 50s over the next few hours. We're only in the mid 40s though in Bowie and Graham, 48 degrees. It is 51 in Bottom, seeing 54 in Terrell, 55 in Athens to 58 in Corsicana. So across the Metroplex, the same story. Upper 40s, low to the mid 50s, almost every single reporting location. It's cooler in Addison at 52 degrees to 51 in Fort Worth. So our 24-hour temperature change compared to this time yesterday, already as much as 10 to 15 degrees colder. And going into the afternoon hours, since we'll stay in the mid 50s, you're going to notice that these numbers start to spread out even more, a little bit more of a difference because of the cooler air that's in place. And also our winds still remain out of the north, 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up higher than that. So today, temperatures holding in the mid 50s, no rain on the way. The rain's over for us. Lots of sunshine into tonight. Clearer skies on the way. We'll see how temperatures continue to cool their way on down across parts of both Denton County and Collin County. Mid 30s, a couple degrees above freezing in a couple of spots. We'll see 36 Love Field to 35 North Richland Hills to 36 in Wilmer, and down through parts of Johnson and Ellis County about the same story, 34 to 36 degrees. Other areas down to near the freezing mark, possibly 32 in Gainesville to 32 in Graham. First alert 7-day forecast. You saw that sneak peek of the temperatures. Lots of sunshine rounding out the week. Winter solstice starting at the freezing mark, warming to 54 going into next week. We do have that warm up on the way for Christmas Eve day. Some rain in the morning hours, then tapering off into the evening hours. Temps remaining in the 60s into Christmas.